Upgrading your car does not always mean buying a new one. A simple screen can change how you drive every day, from navigation to music and even video streaming. Modern car screens do a lot more than you expect. If you are tired of outdated dashboards, this list will help you find the best CarPlay screen for your needs. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out. Let us get started. Number 5 best Volam 11-inch wireless CarPlay screen. This screen feels like a mini upgrade for your car without much effort. The large display makes everything easy to see while driving. I like how it supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto without cables. It saves time and keeps things simple. One thing that stands out is the built-in streaming apps. You can watch videos when parked, which is great during long trips or waiting in the car. The touchscreen is smooth and responds well. Setup is also quick, even if you're not tech-savvy. Large display screen, built-in streaming apps, wireless connectivity. However, it does rely on your phone hotspot for streaming. That might use extra data, especially in the United States, where mobile plans can vary. Still, the overall experience feels modern and fun. Number 4 best Hoxie 9-inch wireless Apple CarPlay screen. This model offers strong value for price. It combines a CarPlay screen with a dash camera, which is very useful for safety. I like how it records in clear quality and also includes a backup camera. The screen size is smaller than others, but still works well for daily driving. The voice control feature helps you stay focused on the road. You can answer calls or get directions without touching the screen. Built-in dash camera, clear video recording, easy phone connection. In real use, the system feels reliable. It connects quickly to your phone and does not lag much. For drivers in busy cities in the United States, the dash cam feature can be a big plus. The only downside is the smaller screen, which may not suit everyone. Number 3 best 11-inch extra large wireless CarPlay screen. This one stands out because of its slim design and large display. It looks clean on your dashboard and does not feel bulky. The screen quality is sharp, which makes maps and apps easy to read. It also includes a dash camera and backup camera. That adds extra value for the price. I like how it combines style and function in one device. Ultra slim design, large high-resolution screen, dual camera support. The installation is simple and works with most cars. If you often drive long distances in the United States, the large screen can reduce eye strain. The only issue is that it costs a bit more than basic models, but the design and display make up for it. Number 2 best Volam 9.26-inch CarPlay screen. If you want something affordable, this is a solid choice. It gives you the main features without spending too much. The screen size is decent and fits well in most cars. It supports wireless connection, so you can use maps, music, and apps easily. I like how it keeps things simple and practical. Budget-friendly option, wireless phone connection, clear display view. The performance is smooth for everyday use. It may not have premium features like built-in apps, but it covers the basics well. For drivers in the United States looking for a simple upgrade, this is a good pick. The camera quality is average, but still useful. Number 1 best pick $3 Hong Kong CarPlay screen for car. This is the best overall option because it balances price, features, and performance. It comes with both front and rear cameras, which adds strong value. The screen size is just right for most dashboards. What makes it stand out is its stable connection and smart features. It supports voice control, navigation, and phone mirroring. The system feels smooth during use and does not freeze often. Dual camera system, stable wireless connection, smart voice control. Another great thing is the update support. If you face connection issues, there are fixes available. That gives peace of mind for drivers in the United States. Safety features like parking monitor and recording are very useful. Overall, this model offers the best mix of everything without being too expensive. Final verdict: if you want the best overall performance, the $3 Hong Kong CarPlay screen is a top pick. It offers strong features, reliable performance, and great value for the price. For most drivers, it covers everything you need in a smart car display. If you are on a budget, the Volam 9.26-inch model is a great second choice. It keeps things simple while still giving you the core features. Take a moment to check the links in the description for the latest prices and full details. This will help you choose the right screen for your car with confidence.